Hello friends, welcome to Study with Herbert. Today I am going to share with you complete revision of Management Information System Unit 2. Unit 1 already uploaded on our YouTube channel Study with Herbert. Topics. These are the topics covered in this video. Information. Information is processed, organized and structured data. It is helpful in decision making process. Information is used throughout the organization to make judgments about the efficiency, effectiveness, and responsiveness of services and in making complex decisions about priorities and the use of resources. Data. Data are numbers, words, or images that have yet to be organized or analyzed to answer a specific question. Attributes. Characteristics of information. All good information has the following characteristics: subjectivity, relevance, timeliness, accuracy, correct information format, completeness. Now discuss in detail. Subjectivity. The value and usefulness of information are highly subjective because what is information for one person may not be for another. Relevance. Information is good only if it is relevant, that is, pertinent and meaningful to the decision maker. Timeliness. Information must be delivered at the right time and the right place to the right person. Accuracy. Information must be free of error because information can result in poor decision and encode the confidence of user. Correct information format. Information must be in the right format to be useful to the decision maker. Completeness. Information is said to be complete if the decision maker can satisfactorily solve the problem at hand using that information. Types of information. Conceptual information, empirical information, procedural information, stimulatory information, policy information, directive information. Conceptual information. Information which is based on ideas, concepts, theories, hypotheses, etc. and might be used in future or not. It does not always mean the actual meaning. Such information do not have scientific foundation. Empirical information. The word empirical information denotes information acquired by means of observation or experimentation. This information have scientific foundation. Procedural information. The methodology which enables the investigator to operate more effectively. Procedural information relate to means by which the data of investigation are obtained, manipulated, and tested. Stimulatory information. Information which creates stimulation among the people are called to be the stimulatory information. Example: Victory Day celebration. Policy information. This information focuses on the decision making process. It can be obtained from description, picture, diagram, etc. Example: law and justice. Descriptive information. Information which deals with providing direction is called directive information. Example: mode of operation in any organization. Information relevance to decision making. Management information systems help decision makers understand the implications of their decisions. The system collects raw data into report in a format that enables decision makers to quickly identify patterns and trends that would not have been obvious in the raw data. Information is the basic requirement for decision making. It significantly determines the effectiveness of not only the final decision but also the process of decision making itself. Decision making is sometimes regarding as the processing and conversion of information into action. Steps of decision making process: identification of the purpose of the decision, information gathering, identify alternatives, analyze the different choices, evaluation of alternative, select the best alternative, execute the decision, evaluate the results. Decision making models. There are three models: classical model, administrative model, Herbert Dimon's model. Now discuss in detail. Classical model. Classical approach is also known as prescriptive, rational, or normative model. It specifies how decision should be made to achieve the desired outcome. Under classical approach, decisions are made rationally and directed toward a single and stable goal. It is applied in certainty condition which the decision maker has full information relating to the problem and also knows all the alternative solutions. It is an ideal way to making decision. Provide most appropriate decisions. Classical model: four assumptions, clearly defined problem, eliminated uncertainty, access to full information, rational behavior of the decision maker. Administrative model. It is also known as bounded rationality model. There should also be a desire to select the best solution by selecting the alternative which will satisfy the goal achievement based on following assumptions: restricted by goal of organization, goals of different element of organization like employees, customer, etc. Bounds the decision and result is compromised solution. Herbert Dimon's model shows that human went through three essential stages in the act of problem solving. Stages in the act of problem solving: intelligence, decision, choice stage. These are the three stages. Management support system (MSS). Management support system are computer-based systems that provide information to manage for planning and decision making. It focuses on managerial use of information resources. They also offer a choice of the user to select out of these tools for the purpose of data analysis. These systems serve the information needs of manager at middle and top level in the managerial hierarchy. Types of management support system: decision support system, executive support system, expert system. Decision support systems. Decision support systems are designed to support the decision-making process of manager to improve their effectiveness and thereby efficiency of the enterprise. They are based on the premise that managerial judgment cannot be replaced by any computer-based solution. A computer or program application used to improve a company decision-making capabilities. It analyzed large amount of data and present an organization with the best possible options available. Characteristics of decision support system: support for intelligence, design, choice and implementation, support for variety of decision process and styles. Decision support systems are adaptive over time. Support for decision maker in semi-structured and unstructured problems. Support for managers at various managerial levels. Support for interdependent or sequential decisions. Executive Information System. It provides easy access to important data needed to achieve strategic goal in an organization. The top executive need fast access to up-to-date information and expectation report with facilities to personalized information and analyze. The information system designed to such need of top executive are called Executive Information System EIS or Executive Support System. Advantages of ESS: enhance organizational competitiveness in the marketplace, increased executive time horizons, better reporting system, improved mental model of business executive, help improve build and communication, improve office automation. Easy for upper level executive to use, ability to analyze trends, augmentation of manager leadership capabilities, enhance personal thinking and decision making. Expert systems: the increasing complexities and dynamics in the emerging business environment requires greater interaction of functional manager with the expert so as to get timely advice. These experts would not only sift information from vast pools of diverse information but also use their expertise to offer advice. Group Decision Support System. Group Decision Support System is an interactive computer-based system that facilitates a number of decision makers in finding solutions to problems that are unstructured in nature. Group decision support systems are the giant in a such way that they take and put from multiple users interacting simultaneously with the system to arrive at the decision as a group. Group decision support situations. A group decision support system in 4 different situations: same time, same place, same time, different place, different time, same place, different time, different place. Friends, for Unit 1 revision, please check description. I am also share the link of Unit 1 complete revision, and also subscribe our YouTube channel Study with Harshit for upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.